Hey everyone, Hassan Minhaj here. Today we're talking about something really cool, AI taking over farms. Don't worry, it's not a robot uprising, yet. It's actually a good thing. Imagine a world with more food, less waste, and happier farmers. That's what AI can do for agriculture. Think about it. Farming is hard work. It takes a lot of time, energy, and resources to grow the food we eat. But what if we could make farming easier, smarter, and more efficient? That's where AI comes in. AI is like having a super smart farmhand that never sleeps, never gets tired, and always knows what to do. It's changing the game by helping farmers make better decisions, use resources more wisely, and grow more food than ever before. So buckle up, because we're about to take a ride into the future of farming, where robots are the new farmhands, and AI is revolutionizing the way we grow our food. First up, let's talk about drones. No, not the kind that deliver packages, though that's cool too. We're talking about drones that fly over fields, acting as farmers' eyes in the sky. These drones are equipped with special cameras and sensors that can see things we can't see with the naked eye. They can tell if crops are healthy or stressed, if they need more water or fertilizer, even if there are pests or diseases lurking around. It's like giving farmers X-ray vision for their fields. And the best part? All this information gets beamed back to a computer in real time, where AI gets to work analyzing the data. It's like having a team of expert crop doctors on call 24/7. Now let's talk about precision farming. This is where AI really shines. See, traditional farming involves a lot of guesswork. Farmers often have to apply water, fertilizer, and pesticides uniformly across their fields, even if some areas need more or less than others. But with AI, those days are over. AI can take all that data from drones and sensors and create a detailed map of the field, showing exactly which areas need what. It's like having a personalized nutrition plan for every single plant. This means farmers can use the exact amount of resources needed, right where they're needed most. No more waste, no more guessing games, just smart, efficient farming. Section 4. From planting to picking, AI-powered tractors and harvesters. But wait, there's more. AI isn't just changing the way we manage crops, it's also